Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gil, and today I'm on my R1250 GS Adventure, and it's Motorcycle Awareness Month. We all know that. If you're a motorcyclist, you know what it is. You've been hearing it for how long? For years you've been hearing Motorcycle Awareness Month. That's what May is. Yeah, we get it. But do these guys get it? How many other motorists, non-motorcyclists, people who don't ride motorcycles, even know about Motorcycle Awareness Month? Other than getting a little pamphlet with their insurance cards that say, hey, look out for motorcyclists, and seeing a few signs here and there posted on the road. How many of these guys, let me communicate with this guy behind me, how many of these guys actually get it, think about it, talk about it at the dinner table or at events? I honestly believe that every day, every week, every month, every year is Motorcycle Awareness Month. Unlike Europe, where it's common to see two-wheeled motor vehicles, and no doubt they are always aware of scooters and motorcycles on the road. Here in the States, I'm not so sure people are really cognizant of it, or even care to be. They're so engrossed and involved in their own thing, whatever that thing is that they're doing. So what I'm saying here is Motorcycle Awareness Month should be motorcycle awareness every day. And when I see these signs posted, when I see the videos about Motorcycle Awareness Month, I honestly believe that we're preaching to the choir. We know that already. It's like being a liberal and watching CNN or MSNBC. Yeah, you get it. You're supposed to get it. They're talking to you. They're preaching to the choir. It's like being someone who likes Fox and watching all the Fox programming. You're supposed to get it. But I'm not so sure these guys get it. So what do we do about it? Well, we ride like we're invisible. We try to be first in situations where we're vulnerable if we are too defensive. And you guys leave in the comments below if you disagree with me, or if you've got something to add, please leave in the comments below. But I can tell you, this guy's turned around. I can tell you, in these parts, if you play the defensive card all the time, your hands are definitely, or I should say your life is definitely in their hands, and that ain't no way to be. Not with these aggressive drivers. I like to say, you pay your money, you take your chances. You will take your chances if you don't try to anticipate and ride with that level or that layer of safety. Back to the discussion at hand. How much do these guys really care? And I have to tell you, the people that I talk to, they know I'm a motorcyclist. And they don't even think about motorcycles. At least they don't share that with me. They could care less. And I ain't mad at them. That's their prerogative, their choice. I'm just saying, I'm not so sure the campaign, the awareness, this Motorcycle Awareness Month, I'm not so sure it's making a dent. I think it's the man in the mirror. I think it's you. I think it's me. I think I got company. Jesus Christ. Trying to make a video here, and all of a sudden it turns into playtime. Oh yeah, slicing and dicing. But we can do that. You see what I'm saying? I'm aware of this, motorcyclist. Guys, ride your motorcycles and stay aware. As soon as traffic opens up a little bit, we're gonna try to have a little bit of fun with our buddy over here. That's the other thing I love about this GS. Oh, we're not doing that. I draw the line. Guys, have fun out here. Yeah, you hear it a lot. You hear the be safe. But you know what? Enjoy your lives. Our time here is short. Have a little bit of fun. Keep your bodies and your minds and your motorcycles in gear, ready to go. And ride these things. That's right, cross the lines. You think he's aware? He is now. Motorcycle Awareness Month. Do your part. And I'll do mine. Thanks for coming along for the ride. This is GB Winging It. And I am out. Love a sunrise. Speak to you real soon.